first ride on my Adventure 390. So today we are going towards Ahura. I need to complete the 1000 km and the first service. So hopefully today it would be around 300 kilometers for going and coming back. I'll be riding slow. So some of my friends are riding on Kawasaki and CBR. So one of my friends from KTM Adventure Group is here in front. The bike till now I have liked it. It's almost 135 kilometers done till yet, and let's see how it performs further. So the last time when I had tested this bike, it was on the off-road officially, and it would be a good test ride for me on a highway. That's all merchant riding Ninja 650. It's cold and you can see the sunrise. I can feel some vibration on my foot pegs. Many people have said that there are vibrations, but after first service it has improved and it is less with vibration, and the gear changing is also smoother. So as and when you start riding it, you will come to know about this. So I'm just 162 kilometers done on this bike, and yes, I can feel there is vibration. So Sunday morning, right now it is in March and it is cold, ठंड लग रही है. मज़ा तो आ रहा है ये बाइक चला के. I am just waiting for the first service so I could test it more on the road and also on the off-road. अब तो ठंडी से मरा जा रहा है, बहुत ठंडी है. So the super bikes are giving flyby. Zoom, zoom, zoom. So the overall performance of this bike is good. I may go for a long ride, not soon, but maybe in rainy season or post that. So Monday to Friday I drive my Ecosport. So Saturday and Sunday I get time to ride my bike. बहुत ठंडी है यार. You can see the sunrise. ठंडी भी लग रही है और साथ में मज़ा भी आ रहा है. KTM Adventure 390. So it's value for money. You're getting a quick shifter, honoring ABS, traction control in this price range, which any other bike company is not offering. I've reached Vashi right now. It's around 10:52. So the kilometers that was covered was approximately 240 kilometers from my place to Ahura and return. So reached home. Chalo, bye.